Hey guys, it's your girl K Lux coming to you live from Remy Hair Shop, and today we are going to attempt to take straight hair to curly in the microwave. Stay tuned. Step 1, we are going to take a water bottle and drench the hair. Alright, so we're going to attempt to take the Mahalan, which is the gold, and make it like a big wave. We're going to do that with the jumbo size roller. It's a very big roller there. So the first thing we're going to do is take some Lotta Body foam wrap and shake it up. Perfect. We're going to keep it in a bundle. We're going to part. Alright, so I've rolled up my bundle of hair. I've used 6 jumbo rollers, and now I'm going to toss it into the microwave. Be right back. Alright, we're back, and we're going to take the rollers out. We kept it in the microwave for 5 minutes. So let's see. Alright, so we're going to comb out the curls on camera. Very, very tight. I don't know if you all can really see that. We combed it out. Alright guys, I'm back. It's the next day. Yesterday we made this bundle curly. Someone asked us, so if you wash it, will it stay curled? We washed it. No, it doesn't. So if you want it to stay curled a long time, stick with the boiling method. We've heard that when you boil the hair and then you wash it, it stays curly. I will also do a video to see if that's true. But you do get a lot of bounce. You can tell where we did curl the hair, and it kind of gave it a little bit more body. So I'm not upset. Just know it's definitely a temporary thing when you use the microwave. This your girl K Lux. It's been great experimenting with you guys. Bye.